Hi, hello everyone! I'm Toshi from Japan and tourist guide for foreigners. In this video, I'll show you
9 new things Japan has changed in 2025. Japan is booming again. In March 2025 alone, over 3.49 million people visited Japan. That's a 13.5% increase from last year. With this surge in tourism, some big changes have taken place, some great, some not so great for international travelers. In this video, I'll walk you through 9 important updates you need to know before coming to Japan, including things like new train systems that make Suica cards almost obsolete, restricted areas due to bad tourist behavior, and how recent US tariffs could affect your trip budget. These updates will help make your Japan experience smoother, more comfortable, and way more enjoyable. Plus, I also offer guided tour in Japan, travel itineraries based on trip duration and area, and recommendations for unique cultural experiences.
You can find more information in the description below. So, let's get started.
Number 1. The secret pass only tourists can use. Here's a deal you absolutely shouldn't miss if you're visiting Tokyo. Tokyo Metro has just launched a brand new Tokyo City Pass exclusively for international tourists. It combines unlimited rides on Tokyo's subway system with access to some of the city's top attractions, all at up to 80% off. Here's how it works. You get the Tokyo subway ticket, which gives you unlimited subway rides, plus access to must-see spots like Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Tower, and Teen Lab Planets. You can also enjoy traditional experiences, like offering incense at Sensoji Temple or soaking in a Japanese public bath. You choose and book the main attraction when you buy the pass, and then you can visit all of the included roaming spots once each during the valid period, no reservation needed. There are 3 types of passes, valid for 1 to 3 days, and they offer huge savings. For example, the 1-day pass costs just 3,900 yen. That covers Tokyo Skytree admission worth 2,300 yen, a full day of subway rides worth 800 yen, and for 1,500 yen worth of services at sightseeing spots, such as Sensoji Temple, making it about 80% off. And here's the kicker. This deal is for foreign tourists only. As a Japanese citizen, I can't use it myself, so yes, I'm jealous.
Be sure to grab one and make the most of your Tokyo trip. It's seriously worth it.
Number 2. No More Suica. JR East announced something futuristic, and it could change the way we travel in Japan forever. Starting in fall 2025, they're launching a pilot program on the Jotsu Shinkansen that uses facial recognition gates, meaning you'll be able to enter and exit without ever touching a ticket or even tapping your Suica card. This is the first time facial recognition tech is being tested at Shinkansen gates in all of Japan. During this trial, which runs through spring 2026, JR East aims to verify the technology and explore expanding it to more areas and even looking into other touchless options. The goal is to create a walk-through gate experience across Japan, where you don't need to stop, touch, or even think about your ticket. Eventually, you may not need Suica at all, physical or mobile.
That means smoother travel, no more fumbling for your phone, and an overall more experience, high-tech travel experience.
Big road changes for Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji, standing at nearly 3,700 meters, isn't just Japan's tallest peak, it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a dream destination for hikers around the world. But in recent years, over-tourism has become a serious concern. In 2024, major changes were introduced: a 2,000 yen climbing fee, mandatory reservations, and a daily limit on climbers. But now, for the 2025 climbing season, there's a big update. Starting this year, all climbing routes will require a 4,000 yen fee, not just the popular Yoshida Trail. Mandatory reservations and daily caps on climber numbers will also apply to all trails. While these measures led to a 10% drop in visitors in 2024 compared to 2023, the Japanese government says Mount Fuji is still too crowded. Also, remember that the official climbing season runs only from early July to early September. Outside of that period, huts and shops are closed, and any risks are your full responsibility.
So it's strongly recommended to climb only during the official season.
Number 4. New hotel taxes in Japan. 11 more regions affected in 2025. In my previous video, I talked about rising hotel prices and the introduction of accommodation taxes in major tourist areas like Osaka, Kyoto, and Okinawa. But now, things are expanding beyond just the big cities. Starting in 2025, 11 new regions across Japan, including Hokkaido, Miyagi, Gifu, Shimane, and Hiroshima, will begin charging a new accommodation tax ranging from 100 to 500 yen per night. These taxes are being introduced to support sustainable tourism and help combat over-tourism, especially as more travelers explore lesser-known parts of Japan. This trend is likely to continue and spread to even more areas in the near future.
So if you are thinking about visiting Japan and want to do it on a budget, now might be the best time.
Number 5. Tourists banned from sacred shrine in Japan. In March 2025, a shrine on Tsushima Island in Nagasaki, famous as a real-life location from the game Ghost of Tsushima, announced a ban on all tourists, both international and Japanese. The number of visitors had skyrocketed in recent years, and the shrine reported numerous problems: littering, smoking, riding mountain bikes in restricted areas, and even inappropriate behavior like urinating on shrine grounds. Staff members were also verbally harassed, often in loud foreign languages, leading to emotional distress. In response, the shrine decided to completely restrict access to protect the sacred site, its staff, and the local culture. Nagasaki officials stated, watching tourists destroy what Japanese people have cherished places, things, and relationships feels like cultural collapse. We must act to protect the spirit of our shrine and community. It's a sobering reminder that respecting local customs is essential.
I truly hope this doesn't lead to wider restrictions in other regions of Japan.
Number 6. How US tariffs could make your Japan trip more expensive? The latest US tariff policies under President Trump are starting to impact global markets, and yes, they may affect your trip to Japan. There are two key reasons why traveling to Japan might become more expensive in the near future. First, the Japanese yen is strengthening. As I mentioned in my previous video, over the past few years, the yen dropped to a 30-year low at one point over 160 yen to the dollar, making Japan incredibly affordable for foreign travelers. Some were saying Japan was 40% cheaper than before the pandemic. But recently, fears over the US economy triggered by new tariff announcements have caused investors to sell dollars and buy yen, pushing the exchange rate back into the 140s. This shift means less buying power for tourists coming to Japan. Second, there's been a spike in foreign demand for Japanese products. The US has announced a 46% tariff on Japanese imports. That could make Japanese goods up to 1.5 times more expensive in America. As a result, more visitors are flying to Japan to shop tax-free and stock up. I've personally heard from many tourists who say it's cheaper to buy in Japan even after paying for flights. This increased demand could drive up prices domestically, making your trip more expensive too. While nothing is certain, it's smart to keep these trends in mind.
If you want to enjoy Japan at today's prices, now might be the best time to come.
Number 7. New eSIM in Japan, the best deal for travelers in 2025. If you're coming to Osaka, here's something that'll make your trip a whole lot easier. Osaka just launched a brand new eSIM service for tourists. It's called Osaka eSIM, and it started in April 2025. Now, you might know that Osaka has had free public Wi-Fi since 2014, but let's be honest, it's usually so crowded that it barely works in popular spots. I've tried it myself and, yeah, not great. But with the 2025 Osaka Expo coming up, they've finally stepped things up. This new eSIM offers reliable, unlimited data across a much wider area. And the best part, it's super cheap. You can get 3 days of unlimited data for just 790 yen, 24 hours for 330 yen, 6 hours for 250 yen, or even 2 hours for only 180 yen. That's way cheaper than most other eSIM options out there. Plus, setup is incredibly fast. It only takes about 3 minutes to get connected. And right now, there's even a free 24-hour unlimited data trial going on. No strings attached.
also other recommended internet services are on my website, so please check them out at the description section.
Number 8. Tokyo's Wildest Festival is back in 2025. So many of you have told me you want to experience a traditional Japanese festival, and guess what? I've got great news. One of Tokyo's biggest and most exciting festivals, the Sanjo Matsuri in Asakusa, is happening again in 2025. This historic event takes place around some of Japan's most iconic landmarks like Kaminaraman and Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, one of the top sightseeing spots in Tokyo. During the festival, locals carry over 100 portable shrines, called Mikoshi, to the streets. You'll see them pass through the temple grounds, under the Kaminaraman, and into the heart of the neighborhood. The energy is intense, the crowds are massive, and the vibe is unforgettable, and it's not just the parade. The temple grounds are filled with festival food stalls, so you can try classic street snacks like takoyaki, okonomiyaki, or shaved ice. It's a feast for the senses. The 2025 dates are May 16th to 18th, so if you're planning to visit Japan around that time, make sure to head to Asakusa.
I'll be there too, so if you see me, feel free to come say hi.
Number 9. Hello Kitty Airport. Here's something super exciting for all the Hello Kitty fans out there. Oita Airport, yes, the one in Japan's famous hot spring region with places like Beppu and Yufuin, is officially being rebranded as Oita Hello Kitty Airport. The entire airport is turning into a paradise for Sanrio lovers. You'll find adorable photo spots, limited edition Hello Kitty merchandise, and even the boarding gates and jetways decorated with your favorite characters. It's cute overload, in the best way. The governor of Oita said this is part of a push to welcome more global visitors during the Osaka Kansai Expo. And honestly, what better way to greet international guests than with the world's most beloved character? And of course, after all the fun, you can soak in one of Oita's incredible hot springs. Trust me, it's the perfect combo. Hello Kitty and onsen.
How was today's video?
If you would like a personal guide in Japan or need recommendations for travel plans and cultural experiences,
Please contact me from the link in the description section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like button. See you in my next video. Bye!